Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get a custom mouse pointer like this in Windows 10. Before we go any further, you will probably want to get your image that you want to use. Try and get a PNG image with a transparent background for the best effect. You will also be able to download mouse pointers ready-made from a lot of sites, so have a look, and if you find some you like, you can skip ahead to the part where we add them. If you want to use a custom image though, we need to make a few adjustments to it in order to get it ready to use. Firstly, head to the link in the description to go to iPicky, which is an in-browser designer that will allow us to change the size of our image. Click on Edit a Photo, then click Open and choose Create Image. You now need to change the width of the image to 45 and the height to 50. Also, tick the box that says Transparent at the bottom. Now click Create. You will probably need to zoom in to make it easier to see, and you can do that using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Go to the Designer tab next. It should be the fourth option down on the left. Click the Add Photo icon and then go to Upload Image. You might need to allow access to local storage to upload your photo. Find your image from earlier on your PC and double click on it to upload it. Now drag it into the editor and resize it so it fills the box we have. If you want, you can leave a small border inside the image, but don't make your image bigger than the area we have, otherwise it will be cut off. Basically, you just need to center it to the box, and the bigger the border is, the smaller the cursor will end up being. Feel free to adjust the contrast and other settings in some of the other tabs to change the look of the cursor. Once you're happy, click Apply at the top and then Apply again. Now click on Save again at the top and then choose My Computer. Give it a name and set it as a .png file type and click Save to My Computer. Save it in a location you know how to get to. Now that your image is ready, the next thing we need to do is convert it to the correct file type to use as our mouse pointer. Head to the second link in the description to go to an image converter. When the page loads, click on Choose Files and then find the image we just saved and double click on it to upload it. Now click on the red Convert button. Once it has converted, click on the blue Download button. It will automatically download to your Downloads folder, so feel free to copy it to somewhere else. To now add this image as our mouse pointer, first go to the main settings page. You can get there by clicking on the cog icon within the Start menu. Now go to Devices, and then choose Mouse from the options on the left side. In the mouse settings, click on the blue Additional Mouse Options link, which is on the right side of the page. When the new window opens, go to the Pointers tab, which should be the second option. Double click on the normal select cursor, which is at the top of the list. Now navigate to where you saved the converted file, unless you left it in the Downloads folder. Double click on it and then select Apply. And that's it. You might want to now get images for the other options, such as the loading circle. And that's how to use a custom image as your mouse pointer in Windows 10. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and I will try and reply as soon as I can. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in another video.